Tick the required images that have DICOM license in Batch Management page. Tap the Export button on the upper right corner. Select DCM2, Local Storage plus Server. Select to save it as individual or multi-frame DICOM. Tap OK to disconnect the app with the probe. Tap the Setting button on the upper right corner. Tap Add New. Fill in the DICOM server information. Tap Save. Select the server that was added before. Tap OK. It will start to connect. Once the server connection is successful, it will start uploading.